Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we will see the kind of notifications, means the settings of notification, how to enable Chrome notifications, how to enable Windows notification, Windows desktop notification, and how to remove any app from Windows 10 notification section, and how to install any app in Windows 10 notification, and how to enable notification from Gmail. Okay, so let's start. And before I start, I request you to please subscribe my channel. And if you find this video useful, then please don't forget to like. So let's start. So first we'll open this Chrome. So I will show you how to enable notification in Chrome browser first. Okay, so here let me show you the place from where we can manually add or remove the notifications. So in privacy and security, click on this site setting, scroll down. Here you will see this notification, and if you scroll down, so here you can actually set the both thing, allowed to send notification, or you can block the notification section also. Okay, now we'll see how to enable for any site. So you can simply type the site name here. Okay, this is one thing. Another thing is, suppose we want to enable notification for Gmail, then just open this Gmail, click on setting, see all setting, then scroll down and scroll down, yes, here. So you can see this mail notification is off. So you can set notification whenever new mail will come in your inbox. At that time, this Windows 10 should pop up a notification, okay, for Gmail. So and plus how you can directly send this setting to Chrome notification center, just click on here, and once you will click on here, you will see this pop up, mail.google.com want to show notification. If you allow this, then this will go to Chrome setting notification in allow section. If you block, then this will go to Chrome notification do not allow setting. Okay, so I am allowing this. Okay, now I have allowed this. Now let's see the settings. Go to setting, and here privacy and security settings. You can see this is allowed. Okay, and here also you can see this URL is allowed to send notification. Okay, so two things I have shown. One is how to enable Gmail notification, and second thing how to add or remove notification in Chrome. Now third thing we will see, that how to enable or disable or remove completely or add any app in Windows 10 notification. So let's see that also. So just go to setting. So in this notification, search for notification. So here you can see this thing. Okay, so you have two options. Either you can simply disable it. Okay, this is one. You will not get any notification after this. If you will open any URL in Chrome, so no notification you are going to receive. First thing is this. Second thing, you do not want this app in this list. Then what you can do, you will simply uninstall this Chrome and install it again. Okay, so this will be totally removed. And one more thing, some users complain that we are not getting that app here. Okay, so I will show you how to get that app here. So let's start that thing also. So just click here. Okay, go back, control panel, program and feature, and uninstall this first. Okay, I will demonstrate you completely. So first we'll close this thing. Now uninstall this. Still there somewhere. Let's exit. Uninstall. Uninstall. Okay. Now Chrome is uninstalled completely. Now do one thing, and let's see the settings also. Notification. So this is not here now. Okay. Now user issue is that when they install Chrome, then also they are not able to see that Chrome. So I will show you how that Chrome app will come here in the notification center. So first I will install this. Yes. Yes. Okay, that Chrome download. So I'm installing Chrome again. I do not want to pause this video because I want to make it as real as possible. And meanwhile it is installing. I'll request you to please like my video and subscribe my channel. I need your support. This is installed now. Done. So now Chrome is installed. If you'll go to setting, the Chrome is not coming here. Okay. So this is the issue. Means Chrome is installed but still they are not able to see here. So how this Chrome app can come here? Just see this. Open this Chrome, then open your Gmail site, go to setting, see all setting. Okay, then click on this desktop notification. I will open some other app first. First I will save this thing. So you can see this Chrome is back. Okay, now enable this and you can see that this is back. So this is the way to enable or disable Chrome in Windows 10. Plus, if you are not seeing that Chrome browser here, then how to bring back that Chrome browser? Just uninstall it and install it back and open any website which throw a notification to allow or block notification. If you'll allow this, automatically that browser will come here. Okay, so this was it. Thank you very much, and request you to please like my channel. Thank you.